What if I told you? The man behind one of the world's biggest coffee empires used to sleep on the floor in a cramped apartment, grew up in poverty, and faced rejection after rejection before anyone said yes. This is the story of Howard Schultz, the man who turned Starbucks into a global phenomenon, and what it takes to rise from nothing. Howard was born in 1953 in the housing projects of Brooklyn, New York. His father was a truck driver. His mother stayed home. Money was always tight. He remembers watching his father break his ankle on the job, and having no health insurance, no support, no dignity. That moment stayed with him for life. Howard knew early on, if he wanted a different life, he'd have to build it himself. He worked odd jobs, got a football scholarship to college, and eventually became the first in his family to graduate. But even with a degree, success didn't come easy. He started working in sales. Then one day, he discovered a small coffee shop in Seattle called Starbucks. Just a few stores. Nothing fancy. When he visited Italy in the early 1980s, he was amazed by the coffee culture there. The baristas. The sense of community. The conversations. The ritual. He came back with a vision. What if Starbucks could be more than just coffee? What if it could be an experience? But the owners didn't believe in his dream. They said no. So Howard left and started his own coffee company. And guess what? He convinced 217 investors before someone finally said yes. That's the lesson here. You only need one yes. Howard didn't come from money. He didn't have connections. But what he had was vision, resilience, and an unstoppable belief in his mission. Years later, he bought Starbucks and merged it with his new company. Today, Starbucks has over 30,000 locations worldwide. But Howard never forgot where he came from. He gave his employees health benefits, stock options, free college. Why? Because he knew what it felt like to be invisible. And he vowed to never let others feel that way under his leadership. Your background doesn't define you. Your past doesn't limit your future. Your circumstances are not your destiny. Howard Schultz went from a housing project to building a multi-billion-dollar brand that changed the world. So ask yourself, what's stopping you? If you believe in your dream, protect it. Fight for it. Work on it when no one's watching. Because someone out there is waiting for what only you can build. Success isn't for the lucky. It's for the relentless. Subscribe for more real-life motivational stories.